Today we are going to discuss role of lithium carbonate in treatment of bipolar illness. Lithium is one of those drugs which have been in practice since long, and it is time tested, and in classical bipolar illness it has great efficacy, and studies show that it is efficacious more than 50% in bipolar patient which are classically presenting. But lithium is also an unfortunate drug, and psychiatrists are basically divided into two groups. There is one group which literally abhor this medication. They have distaste for this medication. They have very high threshold in prescription which contain lithium. On the other hand, there are certain people and clinicians, psychiatrists, they rather readily prescribe lithium, and most of the time it is on their prescription as a first line treatment. But there are certain clinical features which we think are important when we are planning treatment of bipolar illness, and we should be able to assess those factors, because these factors have somewhat predictability value regarding the response of lithium in bipolar illness. So what are those? And these should be remembered when we plan any treatment in bipolar illness. First of all, we should remember that lithium is effective. All those studies which portray that lithium is effective in bipolar illness, they clearly describe that lithium is effective in classical bipolar illness, which has classical mania and depressive episode. Apart from that, there are now emerging studies which discount towards the use of lithium, and they suggest that lithium might not be that much effective in certain bipolar variants. For example, if there is mixed affective states, lithium is less effective. And if there is prominent depressive symptoms, and depression is more chronic, and depression patient has spent most of his illness period in depressed phase, lithium is probably not going to affect. And thirdly, rapid cycling. If there is rapidly alternating episodes of depression and mania or hypomania, it also decreases efficacy of lithium. Fourthly, if there is concomitant problem of hypothyroidism, and then it is observed that lithium is less effective. And if there is prominent psychotic features, especially the mood incongruent features, then it is observed that lithium might be less effective. And last but not least, there are certain studies which suggest that in female generally lithium might be less effective as compared to male population, especially if females are diagnosed at the same time with thyroid problem, then lithium is not first line treatment. So these are certain clinical predictors which are helpful when we are planning for treatment of bipolar patient.